Hey, have you wondered what are those great toothpaste you have seen applied on top of CPUs? Are they used to glue the cooler to the CPU? Are they edible? No! Then what are they for? Well, you came to the right place. Welcome to Techplained. Hello everyone, and today I will tell you what are those great toothpaste are. For this video, I'll be explaining the function and how does that thing work. Also, why you should use a good one. So let's just jump into it. Before we start, we should know what is that thing called. Now that, my friends, are called thermal paste, hence the video title. Thermal paste is a thermally conductive substance usually sold in fluid form and normally made of silicon and ceramic powders, which is applied between a CPU and its cooler. There are a lot of different types of thermal paste, but they all work with the same principle. The function of thermal paste is to help move the heat out of the hot chip to the cooler. The thermal paste acts like a bridge for the heat. Now, how can thermal paste do that? They are designed to minimize microscopic air gaps and irregularities between the surface of the cooler and the CPU's IHS, which is the piece of metal on top of the processor. If you look closely at the heatsink and the CPU, even though it's installed very tight, there will still be air gaps. As we know, not everything is perfect, so thermal paste is used to fill in the surface imperfection so heat can effectively move, because air is just not a good thermal conductor, which means they really have to dissipate heat through their tight connection. That's why chips without thermal paste, even with the beefiest cooler, will struggle. Now we need to remember not all thermal paste are created equal. Some are cheap and bad at doing its job, and some actually have good quality meanwhile keeping your wallet nice and thick. So you might ask, what is the difference then? Well, you need to keep in mind of two things when selecting your thermal paste. First, the electrical conductivity. Usually cheap one will sometimes be electrical conductive, which is not good, because they can, if applied incorrectly, kill the components of your PC. Second, thermal conductivity. A good thermal paste should be good at conducting heat, which means they can dissipate the heat faster so the cooler the CPU is. Now I can recommend you some good thermal paste you can consider, such as Thermal Grizzly, Noctua, Arctic, Cooler Master, and more, which all of them have their own characteristics, so you can just pick the best one for you. So that's all the knowledge for today. I hope this video can help you understand the function of thermal paste and how it works to cool down your hot CPUs. Intel 11 Gen, as well as helping you to pick the right one to use. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe if you want more of this. I'm Haris from Techplained and come back next week for more knowledge about tech, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.